Hello everyone, today is a very special video. So as you can see, we have my Bugeye WRX and we are doing everything else that it needs for it to be on the road finally, after months of saving, collecting parts, and just spending money, which I'm not a huge fan of. Anyway, so we're doing the brakes. I bought these Power Stop, the Z26 Extreme brake kit. We're doing full calipers, rotors, brake pads, and oh, my bad. Carlos is also doing the valve cover gasket and oil cooler gasket. And then that's everything. So yeah, let's get right to it. This is a very exciting day for me. My Subi is finally about to be on the road. No more clunker. Come on, boy Josh right here. All right, guys. All right, back it up a little. All right. Z26. Nice. Okay, so I didn't really get a clip of him putting the caliper on, which I'm an idiot for, I forgot. But as you can see, it is on. Oh, yeah, nice, we're getting to it, baby. All right, so quick comparison. You can see this one, and then when you come over here, look at that. Huh. Looks so much better. Alright, so while Ivan is over there doing the brakes, Skylar's doing my pink silicone hose kit, and Carlos is doing the valve cover gasket. See? Starting off the pink and black theme, baby. Ooh, coilovers. So that thing using WD-40. Look at it, it literally just fell apart in his hands. That is not good. Like, look at that. That is a piece of garbage. All right, so Carlos just put Josh on a task. See the V6 valve cover. He's going to be cleaning it. All right. That's looking good. You're doing great. Thanks. You're doing great. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. Fucking love that guy. That's the one that Josh already cleaned, and that's the one that just got pulled out. That is disgusting. You're doing great, man. Hey, you're doing great. Thanks. You're doing great. Hello, everyone. So we ran into a little issue. So as Carlos was putting the very last bolt to the valve cover gaskets, the very last bolt in the worst spot possible broke. So I can't exactly show you because it's gonna be kind of hard to show you. So the bottom one all the way down there, it's like in the head, So Carlos, I'm pretty sure, is dropping the engine now. So hopefully we could try to drill out the bolt. Yeah, and of course, this channel wouldn't be called House of Pain for no reason. Carlos has done this 1,000 times, and of course, me, the bolt snaps. What a joke. Alright, so let's hope we can do this. Let's go. Okay, everyone, so a little update. This fucking guy right here, he got the bolt out. You can see it. See that? There it was. So now, Carlos is putting back the valve covers, and me and Skylar are doing the rear brakes. And then just doing the fluids, and then should be ready. Let's get to it.
Alright, so we finally got the whole brake kit put on and assembled. And we got all the pink hoses on.